So this is the farm. All I'm doing is to unpick the grasses away from the rating. Here we have our bags of fertilizer, organic fertilizer, poultry, which is preferably the best compared to cow. And one thing I want to show you is if you look deep to the ground, we still have some of this green and ewedu still growing. You can see them, they are still growing. And what that one is saying is when you are harvesting one, others will still continue to grow. I already told you on this small space, we are not going to be buying any vegetable from the market because we are also producing our own vegetable at home. And one joy of it is we are sure of the quality of the vegetable that we are producing. We are sure that it is not being loaded with inorganic chemical which could be harmful to the body. We are also sure of whatever input that have been put into it because we are the one putting it. And what is the input? Just addition of water, removal of weeds, and that's all. There's nothing special you have to do. I know it is possible that you could be saying what you read in your school book is different from what you are seeing here. It is unfortunate for me to state, whenever I want to make a joke, I say many people have read too much. That's why we don't have food in our country. Most of the things you are reading is not applicable. That's why a small country like Israel can be producing in billions, more than the budget of the nation, from agriculture, despite that the place is a rocky place because they are going against the conventional method of producing food. This our spice is already old. I have to get a new seed to make for new production. Look at these are good. This one is already climbing. Now see this one has already climbed a lot. And those are the green. This is bitter leaf we have here. And the wedu is also doing fine. But what I was able to observe from this farm is most of the wedu is not affected by the insects or the caterpillar that is feeding on this farm. That's why it's always good to, when you are going to agriculture, to do something they call mixed farming. If you're having challenge in one, the other one will produce for you. So take that caution.